it's Morgan, and welcome to Science Center with the Wapiti Regional Library. Today, we're going to be making rock candy. But you'll have to be patient because you'll have to wait up to a week before you get to eat your science experiment. So keep watching to find out how to make the sugary treat. You will need a jar, 1 cup of water, 2 to 3 cups of sugar, food coloring, a wooden skewer, and a clothespin. Heat 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar until all the sugar is dissolved. Slowly add another 1 to 2 cups of sugar until the sugar no longer dissolves in the water. The water will look a little cloudy. Once the sugar will no longer dissolve, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool. Lay out some sugar on a plate. Dip your skewer in some water and then coat it in the sugar. Make sure to let the sugar dry completely on your skewer. Once the sugar mixture has cooled enough, add it to your jar, then pick whatever food coloring you want. Place your skewer in your jar and hold it up with your clothespin. Be sure that the skewer doesn't touch the bottom or the side of the jar. Allow your jar to sit for a week and watch what happens. When we heat up the sugar and water, we're making a super saturated solution. This means that there's more sugar than the water can dissolve. So there's lots of little sugar particles freely floating around the mixture. When we add the skewer with the sugar on it, they attract these extra floating particles. These sugar particles attach and begin to form crystals as the solution slowly cools. This is a pretty slow process though, so you'll have to wait a week before you get to eat your treat. Thanks for joining me at today's Science Center, and I hope you tune in next time.